you're all well. Going to do an acrylic painting today. I've got my palette, which is a tear off palette by De La Rowney, and I'm going to mix up some pink. So I've got some white acrylic paint and some red acrylic paint. I need a tiny bit of the red, more white to red. Red is one of the strongest colours and will overpower any colour that you mix it with. So you just got to be a little bit careful with it. Just added a little bit of water to that. And what the reason why I'm doing pink is going to be the background colour, so basically the ground for this landscape painting that I'm going to do. It's going to be a seascape actually, not a landscape. So when you've got all your colour mixed up, I've just got some acrylic paper and I'm just going to cover the whole of it with this pinky colour. Okay, so you just want to let that dry. I'm just going to mix up some blues. So I've got a very pale blue here. Lovely colour. Powder blue, that's called. I've got a cerulean blue. I'm going to add that to my palette. Some ultramarine. And I've also got some yellow ochre. I might add that to the painting. And I just need some white. So just add that to the palette. Okay. So I'll just put a painting here so you can see. And I'm just going to start adding some colour. I'm going to start with the sky. I think I'm going to add a little bit of yellow to this painting with a bit of white. Just keep adding some white into it. And I'm sort of imagining that these are clouds. So just dragging the colour across. You can see there's a bit of pink undertone to that from your ground. Need some more white. I'm using this fan brush, like the effect the fan brush gives with the acrylic paint. So it drags it up, makes quite nice lines, which really adds to your painting. So you want to imagine where your horizon is going to be, and it needs to really be either the first third or the second third for composition reasons. So I'm just dragging up this paint just for a dramatic effect. Adding just a bit more white here through this cloud. I'm now going to add some of the blues. Start off with this very pale blue. Bring that colour through here. Drag it onto what I've already got. Add a little cerulean blue as a contrast. And then a little bit of ultramarine for some depth. So where the horizon is going to be, I'm going to get my ultramarine paint and I'm just going to drag it across. Get it a little bit darker, just close to the horizon. I'm just going to sort of drag this paint down here. Not being particular with it, just putting it in. Adding some cerulean, some of that powder blue. And just mixing them together and dragging them across the page. Add in a little bit of white. You imagine froth on your sea. You want to get that kind of look going on. A little bit of white does that. Mixing it up, the colours. And then I'm going to add some yellow ochre with some white paint, representational of some sand. Drag them across, sort of into the sea. So you can add layers and layers of paint onto this. So as you can see the pink coming through. So it's depending on how much pink you want. If you imagine the sea at sunset, it has all different colours in it. And get some of this darker blue. Very carefully lay that in. Just need a light hand really to get this layering in. And it's sort of drying on the page as I'm painting. And that's good because you get a really good effect when you're dragging it. It adds a bit of texture to it. Add a bit of white. More blue hues. going to darken up that horizon with some darker blue. Drag it down. Layer it over. A bit more white. You can imagine that this is sort of your beach, and imagine the waves crashing onto your beach. Well, they're not really crashing because this is quite a calm sea, but you know, as it comes onto the beach, you get that lovely white froth. I haven't really washed the brush much. I'm just letting these colours sort of mix with each other. I'm just going to finish off some of this sky here. A bit of this cerulean blue coming down. Maybe a little bit of darker blue. And just get some movement into this picture. And just some more dark to that horizon. And I'm just going to leave it to dry just to have a look. Okay, it's all dry now and I'm quite happy with that. I like the way the colours and the pink has come through. I'll just bring the camera closer so you can have a look. And you can see my brush marks on here where I've dragged the paint through. It just gives sort of like a sparkly effect on the sea. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed that and I hope to see you soon. Okay then.